Bearing installation. Left crankcase. Main shaft bearing. Support the crankcase as shown. Always support the crankcase by holding it firmly. Apply clean engine oil to the outer race of the bearing. Place the bearing squarely with the sealed side facing downwards. Install the driver 31.8 mm side facing outwards to the driver handle. Install the pilot 12 mm to the driver handle. Ensure that the pilot has been threaded completely to the driver handle so that the pilot does not come in contact with the crankcase. Locate the pilot and driver attachment on the bearing. Now drive in till the bearing is installed securely in the crankcase. Ensure that the bearing is seated properly in the crankcase.